All right, so I was going to stay around Connecticut and hike, but Amy had a baby shower she wanted to go to in New York. So we packed up, ran to Livingston Manor in New York, and I dropped her off at the baby shower, and I'm at Red Hill Fire Tower Trail, heading up to see a fire tower, because that would be cool. I like this. I like the fact that somebody took the time to put steps onto the trail. Look at this. I mean, it's not an easy thing. More steps. So I've been camping a few times, and one, I met this guy named Paul.
Hello everybody.
He was somebody I ran into a while ago, where my father and I were supposed to stay at shelter, but ended up not, and he was there. He stayed. So I met Paul, and my father and I went camping. But I haven't been out much, and well, I've been posting a couple pictures here and there on Instagram. I have not made a video of any real sort in a while. It's been quite a while, actually. I've been busting my butt trying to put myself in a position to get a promotion at work, and I did. Not with the same place, but I got a new job with a new town, and I'm excited about it. Start next weekish. Sad to leave everybody behind, but I'm happy to move on. Take a look at this tree. And not only did it fall, it twisted. Very cool. So I also haven't been out very much. Aside from the very occasional trip with my father and Paul, I have been relatively sedentary, stuck in online research, reading, and books. Not necessarily a bad pursuit, just not as physical as I was, and I'd like to get back into that. So back at it. Hopefully, if everything works according to plan, I'll be making more videos throughout the summer, and you'll be seeing more of me, whether you like that or not. That said, I should have 4-day work weeks, which is awesome. 4 10-hour days, and then Fridays off. So 3-day weekends every week for the entire summer. Not going to complain about that. So I shouldn't have an excuse. Hold me to it. To the people that have messaged me, like my buddy John and all the others, thank you. Thank you. It means a lot. And part of the reason that I do this, other than the fact that I love to be out here, it's kind of nice for me to bring you guys along. Not exactly on the trail right now. Look how much moss is on this one. It's very cool. I mean, seriously, look how thick that moss is. It is thick. That's neat. That's pretty cool. Stairs everywhere. The tag markers change color too. That's cool shit. Tag markers change color. So 6/10 of a mile up that way to the fire tower. And Dinch Road trail heads that way. Denning Road trail heads that way. That's where we came from. So going back that way. I really like these markers. Look at this. Very cool. Very, very cool. Alright, so quick scan. Look, more steps. Ooh, the spring. Freaking love the rocks. Oh my god. It's awesome. Look at that. Oh. Yeah. You see it? Get closer. So very kind of Mother Nature to put this pipe out here for us to drink out of. Yeah. Spring is here, spring is here. Life is chipper and full of cheer. I think the most wonderful time of the year is the spring, don't you? Of course you do. Alright, back from the spring, and now we're on trail again. Up that way. And just in case you're wondering, we got a little sign up here that tells you exactly what we're doing. And just so you know, we are almost there. Hold on. Back on the trail. That way. Back on the trail. Okay. Sorry, didn't mean to startle you. Sorry about that.
Focused on my GPS thing.
Ah. Yeah. And I'm assuming it's not open at the top.
I don't know. I mean, there's nobody at the bottom.
Yeah. Okay.
You're not going to see much with all this smoke.
No. No. Yeah. Have a good walk. Cool. This is the Red Hill Fire Tower, and it's locked, but there it is, all the way up there. Red Hill Fire Tower and Cabin are maintained by the hard work of volunteers and with the help of public donations. The New York State Department of Environmental something also assists with its upkeep. The tower and cabin are open to the public on weekends from June through October, with Columbus Day being the last day open for the season. When the tower cab is closed, you may still climb to the highest landing where its view is excellent. Oh, so sign the register because they want to know how many people come up. So let's go sign the register. Hey, little bird. I don't think you need to watch me do this. Hold on. All right, so I signed the register, and I actually dropped a patch inside the door of the cabin. Left a couple in the register box too. Kind of left it as a thank you to the people who run it, and a surprise for anybody that walks up. If you like patches, there you go. Yeah, so on my way down now. Amy should be almost done with her party. I don't know what we're doing for dinner, but I'm kind of looking forward to it. I think I earned it. It's only 4 miles by the time I get back out. Out should go a lot quicker than in. I'm almost already back at the spring, so not very far. It's peaceful. It's nice. I can't hear anything. I haven't heard I mean, not the day for it, but I haven't heard lawnmowers. I haven't heard screaming. I haven't heard cars going by or planes overhead or any of that stuff. It's wicked nice. New York, you got a nice spot out here. Yeah. About a mile and a quarter back to the, or sorry, only about a mile and a half back to the vehicle. We're good to go. So that's it. I'm back at the car, and that was the Red Hill Fire Tower Trail. And it's I'd like to say thank you to the people in New York who volunteered to take care of the trail, tend the trail, mark the trail. It's a nice one. If you get a chance to get out here, see it, definitely recommend it. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you like this video, like, subscribe, and there will be more to come in the very near future. I should have some semblance of a regular schedule again. All right, so yeah, thanks, and see you soon. Spring is here. Spring is sprung. Spring's a thing. Yeah.